Hi everyone, welcome to our Grasshopper tutorial series. In this course, we are going to learn these exciting and powerful tools together for parametric design. First, let's open a new file from the File menu. By scrolling the mouse wheel, you can zoom in and zoom out on the canvas. If you press the mouse wheel, a menu will appear with several options that we used while working on a project, and I will explain them later. By right-clicking and dragging, you can pan and move around the canvas. The menu at the top is called the menu bar, and it includes options like File, Edit, Solution, Display, and Help. These tabs are the main categories we use in Grasshopper. The first tab is Params, which contains basic parameters and components related to Rhino. The second tab is Mass, which includes mathematical components. The Sets tab is used for managing data and parameters. The Vector tab is mainly used for defining direction and building geometry. The Curve tab is used to create different types of curves. The Surface tab is used to generate surfaces. The Mesh tab is used to create different types of meshes. The Intersect tab contains tools for intersection and geometric intersections. The Transform tab includes components related to transformation. Finally, the Display tab is used for visual setting, such as previewing and coloring the geometry. In the Parameters tab, under Geometry, we add a point, a curve, and a circle component. As you can see, all of these components are orange in color. This orange color means that these components are correctly empty. To use them, we need to reference a point, a curve, and a circle directly from Rhino. So these components don't create geometry by themselves. They simply read geometry from Rhino. When a component is orange, it means that it doesn't have any data yet. In other words, the component is empty and waiting for input. When a component turns green, it means everything is working correctly. The component has valid input and products the expected output. A red component means there is an error in the definition. This usually happens when the input data is working or missing. A gray component means that is disabled. Disabled components are ignored and don't affect the final result. One important thing to know about adding components is that there are several ways to access them. The first method is simply clicking on the components icon from the tabs. The second and faster method is to double-click anywhere on the canvas. After double-clicking, we can type the name of the component. For example, if we type point, Grasshopper will show us all the related components. This method is especially useful when you already know the name of the component. So using double-click and typing is the fast way to work in Grasshopper. In the next video, we are going to talk about data types and some basic Grasshopper terminology, so you will understand how things really work. If you want to learn Grasshopper in a fast and easy way and actually become really good at it, don't forget to subscribe and follow the next videos.